ओम 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 सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति।
Thank you, Tejaswini. Yeah, request everyone to mute themselves, please. Otherwise, there'll be a lot of echoing and a lot of background sound. Only the person speaking can unmute and talk, please. Priyanka, can you please do the Guru Stotram for us?
Yes, ma'am. Hari Om. Akhanda mandalakaram vyaptam yena characharam tatpadam darshitam yena tasmai shri gurave namaha. Ajnanatimirandhasya jnananjanashalakaya चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। स्थावरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत् सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वश्रुति शिरोरत्न विराजितपदाम्बुजः वेदान्ताम्बुजसूर्यो यः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चैतन्यः शाश्वतः शान्तो व्योमातीतो निरञ्जनः बिन्दुनादकलातीतः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानशक्तिसमारूढ तत्त्वमाला विभूषितः भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदाता च तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अनेकजन्म सम्प्राप्त कर्मबन्धविदाहिने आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। शोषणं भवसिन्धोश्च ज्ञापनं सारसम्पदः गुरोः पादोदकं सम्यक् तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। न गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मन्नाथः श्रीजगन्नाथः मद्गुरुः श्रीजगद्गुरुः मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुरादिरनादिश्च गुरुः परमदैवतं गुरोः परतरं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव.
Thank you very much, Priyanka. I will pass it on to Anirudh now. We will start off with the Vishnu Sahasranama chanting. The only issue when we are doing it online, one person can chant. The rest of us, let us please chant with all the Shraddha possible. But yeah, let us please stay, make sure we stay muted. Let us chant along with Anirudh. Anirudh will lead the chanting first. Anirudh, over to you. I'll mute myself now.
Om Shuklam Baradharam Vishnam Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopashantaye Shantakaram Bhujagashayanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gaganasadrisham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmikantam Kamalanayanam Yogiridhyanagamyam Vande Vishnum Bhavabhayaharam Sarvalokaikanaatham. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Harihi Om. Vishwam Vishnur Vashatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu Bhutakrit Bhuta Bridbhavo Bhutatma Bhuta Bhavanaha Bhutatma Paramatma Cha Muktanam Paramagatihi Avyayah Purushah Sakshi Kshetrajñokshara Evacha Yogo Yoga Vidam Neta Pradhana Puruseshwaraha Narasimha Vapushriman Keshavah Purushottamaha Sarva Sharva Shivasthanur Bhuta Dhirnidhiravjayaha Sambhavo Bhavano Bharta Prabhavah Prabhurishwaraha Swayam Bhoshyamburaditya Pushkaraksho Mahaswanaha Anadinidhano Dhata Vidhatata Turuttamaha Aprameyo Hrishikeshah Padmanabho Maraprabhu Vishwakarma Manustvashtastavishtastavirodhruvaha Agrahya Shashvata Krishno Lohitakshah Pratardanaha Prabhutastrudugubdhamu Pavitram Mangalam Param Ishana Pranada Prano Jyeshtha Shrestha Prajapatihi Hiranyagarbho Bhugarbho Madhavo Madhusudanaha Ishvaro Vikrami Dhanvi Medhavi Vikramakramaha Anuttamo Duradharsha Kritagnya Krudiratmavan Suresha Sharanam Sharma Vishvareta Prajabhavaha Ahas Samvatsaro Vyalah Pratyaya Sarvadarshanaha Ajas Sarveshvara Siddhas Siddhis Sarvadirachutaha Vrishakapiramayatma Sarva Yoga Vinishrutaha Vasur Vasumana Satya Samatma Sammidas Samaha Amogha Pundarikaksho Vrishakarma Vrishakritihi Rudro Bahushira Babhrur Vishwayoni Shrutishravaha Amrita Shashvatasthanur Vararoho Mahatapaha Sarvagas Sarva Vidbhanur Vishwakseno Janardanaha Vedo Veda Vidavyango Vedango Veda Vidkavihi Lokadhyaksha Suradhyaksho Dharmadhyaksha Krita Kritaha Chaturatma Chaturvyuhash Chaturdamshas Chaturbhujaha Bhrajishnur Bhojanam Bhokta Sahishnur Jagadadijaha Anagho Vijayojeta Vishwayonir Punarvasuho Upendro Vamanah Pramshuramo Ghashuchirurjitaha Atindra Sangrahas Sargo Dhritatmaniyamo Yamaha Vedyo Vaidyas Sada Yogi Viraha Madhavo Madhuho Atindriyo Mahamayo Mahotsaho Mahabalaha Mahabuddhir Mahavidyo Mahashaktir Mahadyutihi Anirdyeshava Pushriman Ame Yatma Mahatridirak Maheshwaso Mahibharta Srinivasa Satangatihi Aniruddhas Suranando Govindo Govidampatihi Marirchirdamano Hamsa Suparno Bhujagottamaha Hiranyanabha Sutapa Padmanabha Prajapatihi Amrityus Sarvadhiksimha Sandhata Sandhiman Stiraha Ajo Durmarshana Shasta Vishrudatma Surariha Gurur Gurudamodhama Satya Satya Parakramaha Nimisho Nimishasagvi Vachaspatirutaratihi Agranir Gramani Shriman Nyayo Neta Samiranaha Sahasramurdha Vishwatma Sahasrakshas Sahasrapat Avartano Nivrittatma Samvrta Sampramardanaha अह संवर्तको वह्निरनिलो धरणीधरः सुप्रसाद प्रसन्नात्मा विश्वधुक् विश्वभुक् विभुः सत्कर्ता सत्कृतः साधुर्जह्नुर्नारायणो नरः असंख्येयो प्रमेयात्मा विशिष्टः शिष्टकृत् शुचिः सिद्धार्थः सिद्धसंकल्पः सिद्धिदः सिद्धिसाधनः वृषाही वृषभो विष्णुर्वृषपर्वा वृषोदरः वर्धनो वर्धमानश्च विविक्तः श्रुतिसागरः सुभुजो दुर्धरो वाग्मी महेन्द्रो वसुदो वसुः नैकरूपो बृहद्रूपः शिबिविष्टप्रकाशनः ओजस्तेजोद्युतिधरः प्रकाशात्मा प्रतापनः वृद्धस्पष्टाक्षरो मन्त्रश्चन्द्रांशुर्भास्करद्युतिः अमृतांशुद्भवो भानुः सुरेश्वरः औषधं जगदस्येतुः सत्यधर्मपराक्रमः भूतभव्यभवन्नाथः पवनः पावनो नलः कामः कामकृत्कान्तः कामः कामप्रदः प्रभुः युगादिकृद्युगावर्तो नैकमायो महाशनः अदृश्यो व्यक्तरूपश्च सहस्रजितनन्दचित् इष्टो विशिष्टः शिष्टेष्टः शिखण्डी नहुषो वृषः क्रोधः क्रोधकृत्कर्ता विश्वबाहुर्महीधरः अच्युतः प्रतितप्राण प्राणदो वासवानुजः अपान्निधिरधिष्ठानमुप्रमत्तप्रतिष्ठितः स्कन्द स्कन्दधरो धुर्यो वरदो वायुवाहनः वासुदेवो बृहद्भानुरादिदेवः पुरन्दरः अशोकस्तारणस्तारः शूरः शौर्यर्जनेश्वरः अनुकूलः शतावर्तः पद्मी पद्मनिभेक्षणः पद्मनाभोरविन्दाक्षः पद्मगर्भः शरीरभृत् महद्विरुद्धो वृद्धात्मा महाक्षो गरुडध्वजः अतुलः शरभो भीमः समयज्ञो हविर्हरिः सर्वलक्षणलक्षण्यो लक्ष्मीवान् समितिञ्जयः विक्षरोरोहितो मार्गो हेतुर्दामोदरः सः महीधरो महाभागो वेगवानमिताशनः उद्भवक्षोभणो देवः श्रीगर्भः परमेश्वरः करणं कारणं कर्ता विकर्ता गहनो गुवः व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्थानदो ध्रुवः परर्धिः परमस्पष्टस्तुष्टः पुष्टः सुभेक्षणः रामो विरामो विरजो मार्गो नेयो नयो नयः वीरः शक्तिमतां श्रेष्ठो धर्मो धर्मविदुत्तमः वैकुण्ठः पुरुषः प्राणः प्राणदः प्रणवपृतुः हिरण्यगर्भः शत्रुघ्नो व्याप्तो वायुरधोक्षजः ऋतुः सुदर्शनः कालः परमेष्ठी परिग्राहः उग्रः संवत्सरो दक्षो विश्रामो विश्वदक्षिणः विस्तारस्थावरस्थाणुः प्रमाणं बीजमव्ययम् अर्थोऽनर्थो महाकोशो महाभोगो महाधनः अनिर्विण्णस्तविष्टो भूत् धर्मयूपो महामकः नक्षत्रिणेमिर्नक्षत्री क्षमः क्षामः समीहनः यज्ञयुज्यो महेद्यच्च क्रतुः सत्वं सताङ्गतिः सर्वदर्शी विमुक्तात्मा सर्वज्ञो ज्ञानमुत्तमम् सुवृतः सुमुखः सूक्ष्मः सुघोषः सुखदः सुहृत् मनोहरो जितक्रोधो वीरबाहुर्वितारणः स्वापनस्वदशो व्यापी नैकात्मा नैककर्मकृत् वत्सरो वत्सलो वत्सी रत्नगर्भो धनेश्वरः धर्मकुब्धर्मी सतसत्क्षरमक्षरम् अभिज्ञाता सहस्रांशुर्विधाता कृतलक्षणः घवस्तिनेमि सत्त्वस्थः सिंहो भूतमहेश्वरः आदिदेवो महादेवो देवेशो देवभृद्गुरुः उत्तरो गोपतिर्गोप्ता ज्ञानगम्यः पुरातनः शरीरभूतभृद्भोक्ता कपीन्द्रो भूरि दक्षिणः सोमपोमृतमः सोमः पुरुजित्पुरुषोत्तमः विनयो जयः सत्यसन्धो दाशार्हः सात्वतां पतिः जीवो विनयिता साक्षी मुकुन्दो मितविक्रमः अम्बो निधिरनन्तात्मा महादतिशयोऽन्तकः अजो महार्हः स्वाभाव्यो जिता मित्रप्रमोदनः आनन्दोऽनन्दनोऽनन्दः सत्यधर्मात्रिविक्रमः महर्षि कपिलाचार्यः कृतज्ञो मेदिनीपतिः त्रिपदस्त्रिस्राध्यक्षो महाशृङ्गः कृतान्तकृत् महावराहो गोविन्द सुषेणः कनकाङ्गदी गुह्यो गभीरो गहनो गुप्तश्चक्रगदाधरः वेदास्वाङ्गोजितः कृष्णो दृढः संकर्षणोच्युतः वरुणो वारुणो वृक्षः पुष्कराक्षो महामनाः भगवान् भगवानन्दी वनमाली हलायुधः आदित्यो ज्योतिरादित्यः सहिष्णुर्गदिसत्तमः सुधन्वाखण्ड परशुद्धारुणो द्रविणप्रदः दिवस्पृक्सर्वदिग्व्यासो वाचस्पतिरयो निजः त्रिसामासामगस्साम निर्वाणं भेषजं भिषक संन्यासकृच्छमशान्तो निष्ठा शान्तिः परायणम् शुभांगः शान्तिदसृष्टा कुमुदः कुवलेशयः गोहितो गोपतिर्गोप्ता वृषभाक्षो वृषप्रियः अनिवर्ती निवृत्तात्मा संक्षेप्ताक्षेमकृच्छिवः श्रीवत्सवक्ष श्रीवास श्रीपति श्रीमतांबरः श्रीधर श्रीश श्रीनिवास श्रीनिधि श्रीविभावनः श्रीधर श्रीकर श्रेय श्रीमान् लोकत्रयाश्रयः स्वक्षस्वङ्गशतानन्दो नन्दिर्ज्योतिर्गणेश्वरः विजितात्मा विधेयात्मा सत्कीर्तिच्छिन्न संशयः उदीर्णः सर्वदिक्चक्षुरणीश शाश्वतस्थिरः भूषयो भूषणो भूतिर्विशोकशोकनाशनः अर्चिष्मान् अर्चितः कुम्भो विशुद्धात्मा विशोधनः अनिरुद्धो प्रतिरत प्रद्युम्नो मितविक्रमः कालनेमिनिहावीरः शौरिः शूरजनेश्वरः त्रिलोकात्मा त्रिलोकेशः केशवः केशिहा हरिः कामदेवः कामपालः कामी कान्तः कृतागमः अनिर्देशो विष्णुर्वीरो नन्तो धनञ्जयः ब्रह्मण्यो ब्रह्मकृद्ब्रह्मा ब्रह्म ब्रह्म विवर्धनः ब्रह्मविद् ब्राह्मणो ब्रह्मी ब्रह्मज्ञो ब्राह्मणप्रियः महाक्रमो महाकर्मा महातेजा महोरगः महाक्रतुर्महायज्वा महायज्ञो महाहविः स्तव्यस्तव प्रियस्तोत्रं स्तुतिस्तोतारण प्रियः पूर्णः पूरयिता पुण्यः पुण्यकीर्तिरणामयः मनोजवस्तीर्थकरो वसुरेता वसुप्रदः वसुप्रदो वासुदेवो वसुर्वसुमनागतिः सद्गतिः सत्कृतिः सत्ता सद्भूतिः सत्परायणः शूरसेनो यदुश्रेष्ठः सन्निवासः सुयामुनः भूतावासो वासुदेवः सर्वासुनिलयो नलः दर्पः दर्पदो दृप्तो दुर्धरो दापराजितः विश्वमूर्तिर्महामूर्तिर्दीप्तमूर्तिरमूर्तिमान् अनेकमूर्तिरव्यक्तः शतमूर्तिश्शताननः एको नैकः स वक्किं यत्तत्पदमनुत्तमम् लोकबन्धुर्लोकनाथो माधवो भक्तवत्सलः सुवर्णवर्णो हेमांगो वरांगश्चन्दनांगदी वीरः विषमशून्यो घृता क्षीरचलश्चलः अमानीमानदोमान्यो लोकस्वामी त्रिलोकहृत् सुमेधा मेधजो धन्यः सत्यमेधाधराधरः तेजो वृषोद्युतिधरः सर्वशस्त्रभृताम्बरः प्रग्रहो निग्रहो व्यग्रो नैकशृङ्गो गदाग्रजः चतुर्मूर्तिश्चतुर्बाहुश्चतुर्व्यूहश्चतुर्गतिः चतुरात्मा चतुर्भावश्चतुर्वेदविदेकपात् समावर्तो निवृत्तात्मा दुर्जयो दुरधिक्रमः दुर्लभो दुर्गमो दुर्गो दुरावासो दुरारिः शुभांगो लोकसारंगः स्तुतन्तुवर्धनः इंद्रकर्मा महाकर्मा कृतकर्मा कृतागमः उद्भवः सुन्दरः सुन्दो रत्ननाभः सुलोचनः अर्को वाजसनशृङ्गी जयन्तः सर्वविजयी सुवर्णबिन्दुरक्षोभ्यः सर्ववागीश्वरेश्वरः महाह्रदो महागर्तो महाभूतो महानिधिः कुमुदः कुन्दरः कुन्दः पर्जन्यः पावनो निलः अमृतांशो नृतोपः सर्वज्ञः सर्वतोमुखः सुलभः सुव्रतः सिद्धः शत्रुजिच्चत्रुतापनः न्यग्रोदोदुम्बरो चक्रश्चाणूरान्ध्रनिषूदनः सहस्रार्चिः सप्तजिह्वः सप्तैधा सप्तवाहनः अमूर्तिरणघोचिन्त्यो भयकृद्भयनाशनः अणुर्बृहत्कृशस्थूलो गुणबृहद्गुणो महान् अधृतस्वधृतस्वास्य प्राग्वंशोवंशवर्धनः भारवृत्कथितो योगी योगीशः सर्वमदः आश्रमश्रमणः क्षामः सुपर्णो वायुवाहनः धनुर्धरो धनुर्वेदो दण्डो दमयिता दमः अपराजितः सर्वसहो नियन्ता नियमो यमः सत्त्ववान् सात्विकः सत्यः सत्यधर्मपरायणः अभिप्राय प्रियार्होर्ह प्रियकृत्प्रीतिवर्धनः विहाय सगदिज्योतिः सुरजित्हुतभुक् विभुः रविर्विरोचनः सूर्यः सविता रविलोचनः अनन्तो हुतभुग्भोक्ता सुखदो नैकदोऽग्रजः अनिर्विण्णः सदामर्षि लोकाधिष्ठानमद्भुतः सनातनदपः कपिलः कपिरव्ययः स्वस्तितस्वस्तिकृत् स्वस्ति स्वस्ति भुक् स्वस्ति दक्षिणः अरौद्रकुण्डली चक्री विक्रम योजित्सासनः शब्दादिकः शब्दसः शिशिरशर्वरीकरः अक्रूरप्येशलो दक्षो दक्षिणः क्षमिणाम्बरः विद्वत्तमो वीतभय पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः उत्तारणो दुष्कृतिः पुण्यो दुःस्वप्ननाशनः वीरः रक्षणः सन्तो जीवनः पर्यवस्थितः अनन्तरूपोऽनन्तश्रीर्जितमन्युर्भयापाः चतुरश्रो गभीरात्मा विदिशो व्यादिशो दिशः अनादिर्भूर्भुवो लक्ष्मी सुवीरो रुचिराङ्गदः जननो जनजन्मादिर्भीमो भीमपराक्रमः आधारनिलयो धाता पुष्पहासप्रजागरः ऊर्ध्वगसत्पथाचारः प्राणदः प्रणवप्रणः प्रमाणं प्राणनिलय प्राणभृत् प्राणजीवनः तत्त्वं तत्त्वविदेकात्मा जन्म मृत्युजरातिगः भूर्भुवः स्वस्तरुस्तारः सविता प्रपितामहः यज्ञो यज्ञपतिर्यज्वा यज्ञाङ्गो यज्ञवाहनः यज्ञभृत्यज्ञकृत्यग्नि यज्ञभुक्यज्ञसाधनः यज्ञान्तकृत्यज्ञगुह्यमन्नमन्नाद एव च आत्मयोनिस्वयं जातो वैखानः सामगायनः देवकीनन्दनः सृष्टा क्षितीशः पापनाशनः शङ्खबृन्दन्तकीचक्री शार्ङ्गधन्वा गदाधरः रथाङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्यः सर्वप्रहरणायुध ॐ नम इति वनमाली गदीशार्ङ्गी शङ्खी चक्री च नन्दकी श्रीमान्नारायणो विष्णुर्वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु वनमाली गदीशार्ङ्गी शङ्खी चक्री च नन्दकी श्रीमान्नारायणो विष्णुर्वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु वनमाली गदीशार्ङ्गी शङ्खी चक्री च नन्दकी श्रीमन्नारायणो विष्णुर्वासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु श्रीवासुदेवोऽभिरक्षतु ॐ नम इति श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने ओम शांति शांति शांतिः।
Thank you very much, Anirudh. That was well chanted. Thank you. To those of you, most of you I could see know the chanting. Some of you were trying it out for the first time or maybe just trying to get used to it. Hopefully it was not too fast for you. Please do send me feedback if you don't mind. We will try to do this more regularly so that most of you, all of you get thorough with chanting. All of us have been waiting for Kashikananda Amma to talk to us. I will request Balaji sir to give us an introduction about Kashikananda Amma. And Kashikananda Amma, I can't see you, so I was actually looking for you.
Hari Om.
There, right? Karthik, is she there?
Yes, yes.
You're
I'm
there. Okay, thanks. Sorry, I couldn't see you, so I was just kind of wondering. Oh, okay. Yes, right.
I can start. Yeah?
Yeah.
Hari Om. My pranams at the lotus feet of Puja Gurudev, Swami Chinmayananda Ji, Puja Brahmananda Ji, and Puja Swami Kashikananda Ji. My pranams to all of you. Wishing all of you a very happy new year. Sarvarigu Hosa Varshada Shubhashayagalu. It gives me great pleasure to introduce Swamini Kashikananda Ji to this August gathering. Swamini Kashikananda Ji is basically from Dakshina Kannada. She had an excellent professional career in the materialist world in the share market organization. She had all the abilities to reach an enviable top position. But the childhood foundation towards Adhyatma knowledge took her to Chinmaya Sandipani, where she mastered scriptures under the guidance of Puja Swami Chidanandaji. On completing the course in Sandipani, she served the mission in several centers, that is Vijayanagar, Bangalore, Mandya, Tumakuru, Kasaragod, and Shivamogga, conducting regular satsang, Jnana Yajna, Balavihar, Yuvakendra, and study classes. Her contribution to the growth of centers is visible in the progress seen in all these places. Her simple language with day-to-day example that sadhakas can connect with their very living make her discourses very interesting and appreciated by all listeners. He had made deep study of several saints and well-known personalities that she uses liberally anecdotes from their lives that add flavor to her discourses. She quotes immensely from Tulsi Ramayana, Mahabharata, and messages of saints that take listener to the philosophical ecstasy. Now we are fortunate to have Amma who can fill the small vacuum in the Koramangala Center. I'm very sure all of us will benefit from her guidance to move forward in the spiritual journey. Once again, I feel happy to introduce Swamini Kashikananda Ji to all of you. Thank you and Hari Om.
Kashikananda Amma, over to you, Kashikananda Amma. I'll probably mute myself. You can start.
Okay. Yeah, Hari Om.
Hari Om.
समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम् ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। हरि ओम। Wish you happy new year. I will start with the Gurudev's one of the quotations. The day you change is the new year for you. You are the master of your life. Change the attitude towards life through process of control, regulation, and purification of thoughts. New time, new thoughts. When it is changed, new year has been created. And the mind is changed, you are changed. That is the new year. So that is the new year for all of us. So you don't have to wait for January 1st. Every day is a new day. Every day is a new year. So everything changes. Like in Bhajagovindam, Shankaracharya says, Dinayaminyau sayam pratah shishira vasanto punarayatah kalakridati gacchati ayuhu. No, you might have heard this many times. The days goes and everything changes. Day, afternoon, evening, night, and summer, winter. So it is now. It is very cold. Some places it's more. Some place it is less. But it is changes. Everything it has changed. So we have to. The time is playing. So we have to be very alert. As a spiritual sadhaks, we are not. We cannot afford to waste the time. Like one of the Subhashitas says, "Shanashak kanashaiva vidyamartam cha sadayed." Shane nashte kuto vidya kanathyage kuto dhanam. Every moment is important. Every moment passes. Like for a student, every moment is very important, and we are spiritual sadhaks. Every moment is for us very important. We cannot waste any time. Like one who is seeker of wealth, he cannot waste a single pie. Like that, student cannot waste a single moment. So now, of course, now since 2 years, we are facing big problem, not only in India, all over the world, this pandemic that has been cribbed or growth, all that things. But still, in the beginning, there was a full of tension. When the first lockdown announced, that time we never know what is happening and what is this virus, and everybody was scared and everybody was inside. And but we have learned many lessons from that. That lesson that like as Gurudev says, only problems comes to us to make us, to test us, to make us strong. So if we are strong, then the problem will become weak. So this is a problem, is a big problem, and everybody had to deal with it. So like during the last lockdown, last 2020, nobody knew about the virus. Like when we don't know the problem, then we don't know how to handle it. So it is in our hand how to handle it. Once we know the nature of the problem, then it's very easy to handle. So when it came, even scientists, everything, what is happening, nobody was known. Every day we used to take this statistics, how much people have infected, what is the problem is going on. Everybody was in a confusion and chaos, not able to understand what's going on. So slowly what happened, even the media also showing such a scary news and all, people were scared and worried, and they got some people listening to that, they have got infected with the virus. Somebody committed suicide. So out of fear, some they died and all, you know. So thing is that we have to slowly watch and observe what's happening. Slowly, these scientists came out with that, no, it's not that much fiery. We have to handle like this and keep the distance, and what is that? Don't go out, put the mask. And really in the beginning, we should not go out, and this place is quarantine, that place is quarantine, and this is sealed down. So it's really scary, you know. So slowly then the doctors and scientists, they did research, and they found out that we can handle it like that. See, when you have to face a problem, whether it is physical or emotional, our immunity should be strong. If we are strong enough in the mind, then the problem will become low. for the regarding coronavirus also. Then slowly our Ayurveda doctors suggested that you have to take this immunity booster powder and how to make this powder in all the channels, and everywhere it was showing how to do this immunity powder. And if you have strong immunity, if the virus attacks you also, then that's not a big problem. It is sometimes a stronger person, if it comes also, they will not know it has come and go. Then they start is asymptomatic, all that things. And slowly the next year, second wave, uh, even though there's a lot of death, and when they give the statistics, no, people say that people committed suicide number is more than the people died of coronavirus. In some problems, they died of some other reason, and they said it is corona, like that. And they were showing that you should not watch the news channel only, and then you will be safe, like that. That means we don't know what is happening. We don't have the idea what to do. So once we got the idea how to do it, what to do it, then it is easy. Now, even though they are saying, now third wave is coming, be prepared. Everybody knows, okay, we know how to deal with this. So this is the great lesson we have learned from the this pandemic, whatever, corona now, Omicron, Demicron, so many names also they are saying. And what is that? Real doctors or somebody says, don't know, when it transforms, it power becomes weak and it is not that harmful and all. And in between, somebody made a lot of money also. It's all common. So now that we have learned that we have to be strong. Whatever be the problem, you study, you understand what is the problem, and you know, once you know how to handle it, then there's no problem. So that is why satsanga helps. So satsanga makes us strong. So whoever goes to satsang, they have not troubled much by this corona, I think. So in whatever way, in different fields of life also, the people who attend satsangs and who are real sincere sadhaks, they have faced the problem properly. Even if it is a cancer also, I've heard many people like that. One who came to know that he has a cancer and all, how happily he accepted it, and how he has faced it, and how peacefully he died also. So that is the way. That is why Trijagati Sajjana Sangati Reka Bhavati Pavarnava Tarane Lauka. Shankaracharya says in his Bhaja Govindam. Satsanga only helps us. Satsanga only makes us strong. Satsanga only, with the help of satsanga and company of good people, sadhu people, we will understand what is life and how to face it. Like in the case of that is what I'm saying. Corona has taught us a very great lesson. We came to know that how to deal with the problem. So now everybody is comfortable, even though now for the third wave, there is a so many restrictions, all things are there. And we hear the news also, the number is going up. No, we are not scared. Okay, let it be. We know how to deal it. So that is the one lesson we have learned. And one more thing, that whenever some problem comes, we should not run away. There is, in this case, there was no option. Otherwise also, there is no option to run away. That is why for Arjuna, Krishna said, you face it. You face it. Then you will know that how to deal with it, or you will overcome with that. So now we have overcome from this fear of corona. And like that, there are many problems. This they have only highlighted that the big thing like that. And it is very fast transmitting. Transmission is very faster. That is why it little bit was scared. And there were so many exercises were suggested, yoga and Ayurveda and all that things. And now the vaccines also have come. So doctors say that you have to take the vaccine. We have to follow the guidelines given by the government of India, and then it is not that a issue. Not that a big issue. And one more thing we have learned, that whatever we were doing, what is our culture was the great. No, when you go out, you have to, when you come back, you directly, when I was young and when I was going to school and all, we were directly go to the washroom and change the clothes and have a shower and then enter the house. That was the system. Our system was there. But it is changed. We are westernized, and that is not there. This is not there like that. But Corona has taken us back to our culture, where you go out, you directly go to the washroom, change the clothes, then only you come. Otherwise, it is dangerous. If you want to protect your family, then you have to do this and keep a distance. You do namaskar, not shake hand. So many things. So now also they say that you follow these things, and you are not, you are assured you will not have any problem. That is why, that is the second thing. We have reconnected with our culture. Now, out of fear or whatever, people are doing the thing, whatever our ancestors or our elders were doing, that we have come back and wash your hands, all that things. And one more thing, even though, as I said in the beginning, we cannot afford to waste the time. So all these days, the people who go out for the job and all, for them it was very difficult to sit in a house without going, and 45 days, or they were got so, some people went for depression. That time some doctors were suggesting you chant this name of Lord, and that the name of the Lord, that way your mind becomes cool. So whenever our mind is cool, actually it deals with all our problems, health problems. There'll be no BP, no sugar, no cholesterol, that things. So in satsang we learn that, no, in the same way for the Corona also, if you are get scared or worried or depressed, then its effect is more. When you chant the name and you were cool and all, it is easy. It is not that a big problem. So now, that is and one more thing. One more thing is that this technology helped us a lot. We cannot waste time. We are satsangis, when spiritual sadhaks, without attending the class and all, it's very difficult. For us also, without going out is fine. We can do our sadhana and everything is okay. But without classes, so this spiritual, sadhana, our classes, taking classes or listening to classes is also one of the sadhana. We have to, these things, once you listened and then it is over, not like that. We have to listen to it every day, every moment, continuously, all the things. Thanks for the technology, we are able to do this online classes. Because of online classes, we can in touch with our studies. We can in touch with our study group members. And there's an additional benefit that for earlier, we have to go to different places for different groups and all. But now it is not like in one place. We can take classes for all the groups, so that we can take classes all the days in a week for all the groups. So that has become easier. Last 1 year, I was not able to take the online class, and I was really hesitant. This Corona has taught me how to take online classes. And for the things also, you need not have to go out. All the things you get in your house only. So many things. So these online classes helped a lot for sincere sadhaks. Sitting at home, they can attend the class. They can learn many things. For the students, even for the students also, when the school is closed, now in Bangalore, the classes are not yet started. I feel sorry for the students, actually children. They should go out, they should mingle with the children, and in that way they learn. Sitting at home is really difficult, but what to do? At least they can attend the online classes, and they can learn. But only thing is that the communication is not there. Slowly it will also go. As Gurudev said, even this will pass away. That is the supporting statement. This Corona, it has come, and if it has come, it will go. So this will also pass away slowly. Now the next year, 2022, is a very good, according to astrology, that is a Shubhakrat year. that will start from April 2nd, but it is very good. So we will hope for the good. And as I said, we have to change our thinking. We have to change our mind in a positive way, positive thoughts. Positive thoughts makes us strong. Even though, okay, now I have this problem, but it will go. If I think that, oh, this is a problem, and if I go on negative thoughts, that my problem becomes more. But see how we have actually overcome this problem. This problem is not only ours, all over world it is there. So everyone has faced it very nicely, especially spiritual sadhaks. Not only they have face the problem, but very nicely. Like as I said, we are able to attend the classes. We can do the our contemplation and or the discussions, whatever, everything we can do. Only thing is that personal presence is there, is not there. In the beginning, when I did online yajna, I was not that comfortable because there is nobody in the front. When we speak, there should be somebody to listen to it. No, nobody is there looking at the camera or looking at the wall. I have to speak, means it was very difficult. But slowly, I get used to it. But what I say is, now it is, I like this is the better thing, because we need not have to go out. Otherwise, traveling and we get the time is wasted and energy is dropped. Sitting at home, you study very nicely and then you take the class. Like that in householders also, for that particular time, they can make it free and they can attend the class and they do all the work. Otherwise, for half an hour class or 1 hour class, we have to travel so much. If I'm traveling also, some 1 hour, I don't know. I have come to Bangalore for the first time, and I don't know how much time it takes to go from one place to another place. That is also there. Along with that, in the pollution, you get so exhausted. But here it is not like that. You sit at your place and you comfortably you take the class, and your energy and your health is very good. Your time is saved, all that things. In that way, we have benefited from this coronavirus, we can say. One of my guru, that was, let's say, Guru Ben, one who is a spiritual sadhak, brahmacharni, who is in Kerala. She says, Corona is a blessing for me, because I don't like to travel for many places and all that things. Now that I can take more classes also. I can take 2 classes per day. Sitting at home, sitting in my ashram, I can take 2 classes. But otherwise, I can take only 1 class. And I have to go and come. All that things used to make me very tired. But now my health is also improved. So many things are there. So in a way, that is whatever the problem or the situation comes, when we study it properly, when we understand it, how to do it, and then we will know that there is not only negative points, there's positive points also there. As I said, we got to know how to take online classes, and we can connect to not only in Bangalore, different places. So Bangalore, Mysore, Tumkur, Mandya, or all over Karnataka, all over India, from wherever they are, they can connect. Like now Anupama is connected from Australia. So from all over the world, if you know the timings, you can connect and you can listen. And if you are not able to attend the class, if there is a recording, you can listen to the recording. All that things are there. So this was not there much before 2020. Once this lockdown came and all the people are not able to go out and all, then slowly they found the way. So we found the ways how to handle this. So we got connected with our culture, and we know how to handle, and we have become strong. It made us strong, and we have learned so many lessons. So let us be Gurudev's blessings be with us, and for all of us, or for all the seekers and all the people around the world. Let us be 2022 be a very nice year, And I would like to conclude my talk with the Gurudev's quotations only. Let it be creative new year for you. Surrender to him all your fear and regrets, and work with blind audacity for truth, in truth, with the truth. So let it be creative. Like we have been creative. That is how we found out all these ways to communicate with the our group members, all the study group members, or whoever wants to listen to the talk. And we should have we have to work with the blind audacity. Gurudev uses very strong words. So with that fearlessness, you work for the truth, then the God will be with you. The blessings of Guru Parampara will be with us. So start the new year with the one more thing he says, start the new year with mother's blessings. Invoke her grace by offering your ego and selfish desires. Let her grace flow through us to all around us all the year. So coming year, let us mother's blessings be with us. Let her protect us. And only thing is that main thing, we have to surrender our ego. Mother, I have surrendered. Mother, I don't know anything. Like even such a great saint, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa Ji also used to say, I don't know all this knowledge and everything. I want to be a child in your lap. Like that, if we surrender in that way, she will protect from all the problems. If it comes also, how she has protected all these in these 2 years, not only 2 years, she has been protecting us. Guru's Parampara is blessing us. So let us all pray to Gurudev and the Guru Parampara that bless us. So we will have a very nice coming year. Hari Om.
Thank you, Amma. It was nice hearing you say April COVID, some prediction you're saying, right? I hope and pray that happens. And
we have to be positive, as I said, no?
Absolutely. Have to
Yes,
be positive.
It will happen like that.
Correct. Yeah. I think only the positive vibes will make it happen then, I guess.
Yes. Yes.
Yep. Thanks a lot, Amma. Nice, useful tips for us to start off the new year with. Before I pass it on to anyone who has any questions that they would like to ask Amma, please do. She will be available in Sharda Mandir. Anyone at any point of time can always get in touch with her, take an appointment and go meet her. About classes, etc., we will be letting you know shortly. But yeah, as of now, any questions, you're welcome to ask. We have a few more minutes.
We will decide.
Yeah.
Once you come back, we will decide.
That, yes, okay.
And you can ask questions or can come and meet me. There is no problem. I'll be here.
Yeah. Okay. So Sujata, I'll pass it on to you for the vote of
okay. She told me, you can hear me, no?
Yeah, can hear you, but can't see you very well. Yeah.
Can't see you?
You can, yeah, now it's better.
Okay. No, problems will come to test us to become strong. Very good word. So we should become strong.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Hari Om, Kashikananda Amma.
Hari
Om, dear friends. Kashikananda Amma, I take this opportunity to thank you on behalf of all the attendees here from Kormangala classes. It was very inspiring and motivating for us all. Yes, Amma, today is the first day of 2020. I hope to speak on behalf of all year. We will make a new year resolution to stand committed on this path and to work towards becoming better people, both in the world and in the spiritual path. Thank you very much, Amma, for the wonderful talk. Much appreciated. We would all like to thank Anirudh, who took up the lead with chanting Vishnu Sahasranama. We look forward to the Chinmaya Yuva Kendra team taking the lead in such activities, and we are very happy to see this happening. We look forward to more such interactions and programs going forward, both chanting and such satsangas with Kashikananda Amma. Thank you. Om Shri Chinmaya Sadguruve Namaha. Thank you.